Let's learn with farm animals today. We'll play hide and seek in this awesome barn. Okay, let's knock, knock, knock on our barn door and open the door. Let's open the door. Wow! Okay, we are going to get all of our animals ready, and then we'll pick one animal to hide in our barn. Line up our animals in a nice straight line. Do you know your animals? You do? Let's try it together. Cow, horse, goat, dog, pig, sheep, chicken. Try it again. Cow, horse, goat, dog, pig. Whoa! Oh no! Our pig is hiding. Where did our pig go? In the barn. We need to go into our barn to find our piggy. We go in the barn. We go in the barn. Everyone's excited to go in the barn. Hop in the barn and let's find our piggy. Close the door. Great job. Let's turn our barn around. Get everybody organized in that barn. Ready, set, go. Okay, my barn animals. Let's find our piggy. Let's open our doors. There are 3 doors. 1, 2, 3. Let's pull out our goat. Good job. Come on out. Let's take out our horse. The horse said, "Nay." The cow comes out. The cow says, "Moo." Okay, let's look for the piggy. Is the pig up there with you, little sheep? Do you see the piggy up there, farm animal friends? No, there's no pig up there right now. Oh, okay. So, let's look for our pig together. Let's close our doors and let's open our barn. Open! Wow! Do you see Piggy anywhere? I hear the pig. Up! Come down, chicken. Come down, sheep. Come down, dog. Okay, goat, line up. We're gonna look for our pig. Do you hear the pig? Me too. Oink, oink, oink. Okay, sheep is gonna look down here. Do you see our piggy? No. Okay, chicken. Do you see a piggy? No. What do you think, my bandmate? Do you see a pig? Okay, the goat's gonna look on top of the barn. Is there a pig up there? No. I hear the pig. Oink, oink, oink. Okay, Mr. Horse, do you see a pig? No, not by the feed. No, no, no. Okay, cow, let's look up top. I think the cow is ready. Oh no, Mr. Horse, stand up. Oh, okay, the chicken wants to look. Okay, Mr. Chicken, let's look. Oh, Piggy is in your nest. How silly. Look at this, we found Mr. Pig. Pig was hiding in our chicken's nest. Buck, 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 buck. Oh boy, does the pig belong up there? No, so silly. Great job, Piggy, you tricked us all. Let's put our chicken right in their nest. Good job. Perfect. Now we have our chicken where the chicken needs to go. and the piggy was hiding. So silly! Let's close our barn. And now the chicken is in the right spot and our pig is back. No, piggy, come back down. So silly. We did it. Thank you for helping us find the pig. Let's open our doors and go in the barn. We go in the barn. Everyone's excited to go in the barn. The cow goes in and the pig goes in. Oink, oink, Mr. Pig. You tricked us so well. I love playing hide and seek with you. Let's say bye-bye. Close the door. Close the door. You did it! Great job. Let's play Who is in the Barn? Who is in the barn? Who is in the barn? I think I hear an animal. Who is in the barn? We knock, knock, knocked. Oh, I hear it. Bah, bah. What animal says bah? Yeah, a sheep. Look, it's my little white sheep. Sheep says bah. A white sheep was in our red barn. Great job, little sheep. My white sheep, my red barn. Red barn, white sheep. The sheep goes on the barn and off. On and off. Good job, little sheep. Let's do another one. A blue barn. I think I hear an animal. Who is in the barn? Let's knock, knock, knock. Oink, 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 oink. What is it? Oink, 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 oink. What animal says oink? Yeah, a pig. Oink, oink, oink. A pig. You did it. Pig says oink, oink, oink. Pig goes in. Pig goes out. In, out. Good job. Let's close the blue barn and let's do another one. Good job, little piggy. Bye-bye, blue barn. Now we have an orange barn. Let's sing. Who is in the barn? I think I hear an animal. Who is in the barn? Let's knock, knock, knock. Woof, 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 woof. Oh, woof, 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 woof. Yeah, it's a dog. A dog says, woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. You did it. Hi, little doggy. Woof, woof, woof. The dog goes behind the barn. I see you. The dog goes in front of the barn. Behind. Close it. And next to the barn. The dog is next to the orange barn. Great job, little doggy.
We're in the band.